Did you know that over 30% of homebuyers choose FHA loans over conventional loans? That's right. It's a pretty surprising statistic, but it makes sense when you think about how many people are looking for a little extra help when it comes to financing their dream home. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a hot topic that many of you have been asking about: FHA versus conventional loans. If you're a first time homebuyer or just looking to understand your financing options better, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which option might be better suited for your financial situation. So let's get into it. Buying a home is one of the most significant decisions you'll ever make. But with so many loan options available, how do you choose the right one? Today, we're exploring why an FHA loan might be the best choice for you compared to a conventional loan. Now, let's talk about the confusion that often arises when deciding between FHA and conventional loans. It can feel like you're standing at a crossroads, and both paths look pretty similar at first glance. Many first time homebuyers are overwhelmed by all the different terms, requirements, and conditions. And that's totally understandable. The stakes are high. Buying a home is one of the biggest financial decisions you'll ever make. So, understanding the difference between these two loan types is crucial. If you don't, you might end up with a mortgage that doesn't fit your needs, or worse, miss out on a great deal. All right, let's break it down. First up, we have the FHA loan. This type of loan is backed by the Federal Housing Administration, which means it's designed to help people with lower credit scores or limited savings. One of the best perks: you can get an FHA loan with as little as 3.5% down. That's a huge advantage if you're trying to scrape together a down payment. FHA loans also offer more flexibility with your debt to income ratio. This means if you have other debts like student loans or car payments, you may still qualify for an FHA loan, whereas a conventional loan might be stricter. While conventional loans have their own benefits, an FHA loan could be the key to unlocking the door to your dream home, especially if you're a first time homebuyer or need a bit more flexibility. Now, on to conventional loans. These are not backed by any government agency, which means they often come with stricter requirements. You typically need a higher credit score, usually around 620 or above, and a larger down payment, often at least 5%. However, if you can bring to the table a solid credit score and a decent down payment, you might be better off with a conventional loan. Another key aspect to consider is mortgage insurance. With FHA loans, you'll pay an upfront mortgage insurance premium plus monthly insurance costs for the life of the loan. On the flip side, conventional loans usually require private mortgage insurance or PMI only if your down payment is less than 20%. But once you hit that 20% equity mark, you can ditch that insurance. So let's get to the juicy part. When should you consider one over the other? If you're a first time home buyer with a lower credit score and limited savings, an FHA loan might be your best bet. For example, if you have a credit score of 580 and only 3.5% for a down payment, FHA opens the door for you. But if you're financially stable with a good credit score and can afford a bigger down payment, a conventional loan could save you money in the long run. especially regarding to mortgage insurance. Think about a scenario where you have a 700 credit score and you can put 10% down. You might end up with a lower interest rate and no PMI after reaching that 20% equity. To wrap it all up, both FHA and conventional loans have their pros and cons. And the best choice really depends on your individual financial situation and goals. Remember, understanding what each option offers can make a big difference in your home buying journey. So take your time, do your research, and find out what works best for you. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you had any experience with FHA or conventional loans? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and check out my other videos for more home financing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.